Asadov. I'll try to show you are the parts of personal computer. Power supply. Power supply regulates the voltage that PC receives to work. This slot used for power cable, and this switch for switching on and switching off power supply. The name of this device is DVD-ROM. This device used for reading and writing information to the CD discs and DVD discs. And there is also a lot of ports that use it for connecting motherboard to the DVD-ROM device with cables. This device named as hard disk drive. We use it for storing all of our information. Also, there is located an actuator arm and a platter disk. Actuator arm reads information from platter disk and writes information to platter disk, like a graphic. A motherboard. Also, it's called as a main board, planner board, and etc. It holds and allows communication between electronic components of a hardware, such as a central processing unit and memory, and provides connectors for all other peripherals. This is CPU slot. We can locate CPU to here by this way. And these two are RAM slots. We can locate RAMs to here. And lock it. It's enough. And these two are coolers for main board, and these three are PCI slots. We can add our own device to here. Example of TV card and also network interface card. Then here look at this slot belongs to GPU, graphical processing unit, and also you can call it as a video card. Okay, let's look at it. It's hard to use it with one hand. Okay. So then this port belongs to hard disk drive for SATA cables. And this port belongs to PCU power supply for power cables, and this pink slot used for connecting DVD-ROMs, and this black used for connecting floppy disk drive. And this is battery for BIOS, the main operating system of a computer. And let's go to the other side. This is sound card, dedicated sound card, and there is also 4 USB ports for entering USB cables or mouse and else. And this is network interface card slot for connecting LAN cables. This blue used for VGA cables for connecting monitors to the computer, and these two are used for connecting all keyboards and mouse. CPU is the central processing unit. Also, we can call it as the brain of the computer. It calculates as a way of simple arithmetic, logic, and input-output operations. As you see, it has a lot of pins that connect CPU to mainboard slots, CPU slots. The fan or cooler. This device used for cooling CPU. When CPU starts to heating, this aluminum plate also starts to heating. Then the cooler or fan starts to working hard and cools CPU, and is located over CPU on mainboard. And there is also pins for locking it to mainboard, like this. Okay, it's okay. Then connect the cable to here. Okay. RAM. The meaning of RAM is random access memory. It's a form of computer data storage. Its function is storing every operation that you are working currently. There are two types of RAM: static RAM and dynamic RAM. In our age, nearly everybody uses dynamic RAM because it's cheaper, but the static RAM is more quicker, smoothly operated. Then these black boxes are storage of the RAM. GPU, graphical processing unit. Also, you can call it video card or VGA. This device is an additional device that carries out powerful gaming and video editing softwares, and also other programs that needs more power for video editing.